Using that, put that thing to use.
Jesus.
Why don't you use that sometime instead of leaving it in your car?
I know, I leave this thing in my car all the time. Don't ask me why. And look at here. They're starting their cars and it's April 27th. Look at this stuff come down. Missy!
What is going on?
I don't know, but I wish we could get back out there and ski.
Yeah. Where's the night skiing?
So these are all our buddies at Alpental. And this is where we rock and roll. Uh-oh, what's Diesel getting a bone? Diesel's looking for a treat. Carolyn's gonna give Diesel a treat. Woohoo! He loves your treats. Oh, he's such a good boy. He's such a good boy.
I mean, no, there's no reindeer. Yeah, there's a reindeer lip. What I meant is, quick game of Smooth Queer. I get excited about my Snapchat.